Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I'm Muhammad Shahid and today I will be presenting a dialogue in Chinese language, and I would recommend to the new learners and the beginners who are interested in learning Chinese language, who want to learn Chinese language sentence structures. This is an effective way that you can memorize these structures by learning these dialogues. So learning through dialogues is a very effective way. So let's just not waste our time and get started with our today's lecture. And before we are starting this lecture, let me tell you that it is a dialogue between two people. The first person is Da Wei. Da Wei. Da Wei is, in English, is David, and Ma Ding, Ma Ding, Ma Ding, Martin. Okay, so it's a dialogue between these two friends or people, and they're asking each other some questions about sports. So let's just get started to explore. I have tried to translate it into English and into Urdu for the ease of those learners who want to learn it in English or those who want to learn it in Urdu, so it will be easy for them. So let's just get started with our first dialogue. In the first dialogue, Da Wei, David, David, Da Wei, okay, Da Wei, David is asking a question from Martin, Ma Ding, Ma Ding, Martin. He's asking, 你喜欢什么运动？你喜欢什么运动？你喜欢什么运动？ Word, sports do you like? 你, this one, 你 means you. 喜欢means to like. 什么means what? 运动你喜欢什么运动？ What sports do you like? David is asking Martin, what sports does he like? Dawood in Urdu, Martin, तुम्हें कौन सा खेल पसंद है? 你喜欢什么运动？你喜欢什么运动？ Okay, you can practice it by yourself by repeating it again and again, and this is how you're going to master the pinyin, and this is the pinyin, okay, and these are the characters. Okay, so in response to the question asked by David, Martin is saying something. Ma Ding is saying something. 我喜欢足球我喜欢足球 I like football. 足球 means football. I like football. Okay, so in Urdu, Martin says, Martin, मुझे football पसंद है. Now David is asking further questions from Martin, and David is saying, 大卫 你足球踢得怎么样？你足球踢得怎么样？你足球踢得怎么样？ How do you play football? David is asking, how do you play football? He's asking about the skills, that how able is Martin to play football? In Urdu, Dawood कह रहा है, उससे पूछ रहा है, तुम फुटबॉल कैसे खेलते हो, कैसे खेल लेते हो, माहिर हो या नहीं हो, अच्छा खेलते हो या बुरा खेलते हो, इस तरह का क्वेश्चन वो पूछ रहा है. This is the question he's asking. David is asking from Ma Ding. Now Martin is answering him. Ma Ding,踢得还不错，踢得还不错。你喜欢什么运动？ Okay, I'm zooming it. 马丁踢得还不错。They, it's a particle used after verb. a lot in Chinese sentence structures, so you have to master it. Okay, so use it after the verb. This word t, this word t, this word t, this means to play, or to kick, okay? T, first one, T. So he's saying that T de hai pu zuo. Sometime this particle here, T de, here we use it, T de. Sometimes it is pronounced as they, sometimes it is pronounced as the. T de hai pu zuo, T de hai pu zuo, T de hai pu zuo. Not very bad, okay? Not so bad. I can play it very good. 你喜欢什么运动? Now Martin is asking the same question from David, and he is saying 你喜欢什么运动? Okay, so not bad. What sports do you like? What sports do you like? Okay, Martin is asking this question from David. So in Urdu, Martin David यानी दाऊद से पूछ रहा है. पहले मार्टिन जवाब देता है अपने सवाल का, कहता है इतना बुरा नहीं, यानी अच्छा खासा खेल लेता हूँ. मार्टिन जवाब देता है इतना बुरा नहीं, यानी अच्छा खासा खेल लेता हूँ. तुम्हें कौन सा खेल पसंद है? मार्टिन जो है वो दाऊद से सवाल पूछ रहा है कि तुम्हें कौन सा खेल पसंद है. नाउ डेविड इज आंसरिंग द क्वेश्चन ऑफ मार्टिन. सो हीज आंसरिंग इज 我喜欢运动可多了. 我喜欢 means to like, 运动 sports, 可多了 means too much. If you like something a lot, then you can use this word for that. Too much, or a lot. I like sports a lot, 可多了. Okay? So he's saying 可多了, 我喜欢运动可多了. I like sports a lot. 足球, 网球, 游泳, 滑冰, 我都喜欢. Okay? He's saying 我喜欢可多了，足球、网球、游泳、滑冰，我都喜欢。Okay? 我喜欢运动可多了，足球、网球、游泳、滑冰，我都喜欢。I like sports a lot. I like sports too much. I like football, tennis, swimming, skating. I like them all. 我都喜欢 I like them all. दाऊद कह रहा है मुझे खेल बेहद पसंद है, और जैसे कि फुटबॉल, टेनिस और स्केटिंग जो है वो भूल गया है मुझसे. तो उर्दू में मतलब बर्फ़ के ऊपर जो चलने वाला खेल है जो खेलते हैं लोग, उसे स्केटिंग कहते हैं. ख्वाबिंग और स्विमिंग, योयोंग, तैरना, मुझे सब पसंद है. He is saying that I like all the sports, whether that is football, that is swimming, that is skating, or that is tennis, playing tennis. So he likes all the sports. Okay, so this is how now Martin is answering. Martin is saying something. He's saying, 马丁 saying, 你喜欢足球? 你喜欢足球? You like football. He's like asking, you like football? 以后 after that, or in the future. 以后 Okay, so normally it means okay, So this one, later, afterwards, after, or in the future, okay? You can take the meaning of any of these. So 以后我们可以一起踢足球啦。你喜欢足球，以后我们可以一起踢足球啦。You like football? Later or in the future, we can play football. We can play football. Play football. He's saying that. Do you like football? Or he's saying that you like football. Okay, we can play it later. We can play it later. We can play football later. So, in response to that, David has something to say. And David is saying, 我不会踢，我不会踢。I cannot play. I cannot kick the ball. Its one meaning is to kick. 踢 I cannot kick the ball or I cannot play football. 只喜欢看 I just like to watch. 贪我游泳游得很快。我游泳游得很快。But I can swim fast. Okay? 我游泳 my swimming 游的 So this first part is he's bringing it with the 游的 swimming 很快 fast very fast. Okay? So he's saying 我不会踢 I cannot play football 只喜欢看 But I just like to watch. Only this word 只 here means 只 here means 只 just or only. Okay, so I just watch or just I only watch football. I don't play football. And then he's saying that he can swim fast. So he's telling about the skill of the swimming, that he can swim fast. Okay. So David, I cannot play, he's talking about football. Or I don't know how to play football. I just like to watch football. But I can swim very fast. Okay. But I can swim very fast. दाऊद कह रहा है मैं फुटबॉल खेल नहीं सकता या मुझे फुटबॉल खेलना नहीं आता लेकिन मैं तैरता बहुत तेज़ हूँ या फिर मैं तैराकी में तेज़ हूँ मतलब मैं तैराक काफ़ी अच्छा हूँ बाकी मुझे फुटबॉल खेलना नहीं आता So this is all about this dialogue between two friends. They are asking each other questions about football or sports and then they are replying to each other and we will just repeat it once again so that you can understand. Okay, I'll zoom it. Okay, so David is asking question. 马丁，你喜欢什么运动? What sports do you like? दाऊद पूछ रहा है मार्टिन से तुम्हें कौन सा खेल पसंद है? 马丁，我喜欢足球。I like football. Martin कह रहा है मुझे फुटबॉल पसंद है. 大卫你足球踢得怎么样? How do you play football? Asking about the skill. दाऊद तुम फुटबॉल कैसे खेलते हो? 马丁踢得还不错 Not so bad. इतना बुरा नहीं है. 你喜欢什么运动? Mading is asking this question from David that what sports do you like? So Martin says not so bad. इतना बुरा नहीं यानी अच्छा खासा खेल लेता हूँ फुटबॉल. तुम्हें कौन सा खेल पसंद है? Now David is answering 我喜欢运动可多了. I like sports very much. Too much. A lot. 足球网球游泳滑冰我都喜欢 I like all the sports including football, tennis and swimming and skating. So दाऊद कह रहा है मुझे खेल बेहद पसंद है जैसे कि फुटबॉल, टेनिस, स्केटिंग और तैरना मुझे सब पसंद है. 马丁 is saying 你喜欢足球 You like football, then he's saying 以后我们可以一起踢足球了 We can play football later. वो कह रहा है कि अगर तुम्हें फुटबॉल पसंद है तो हम बाद में खेल लेते हैं. इसका मैंने खैर उर्दू में तर्जुमा नहीं किया है, लेकिन तर्जुमा ये है कि तुम्हें फुटबॉल पसंद है तो हम बाद में खेल लेते हैं या हम मुस्तकबिल में खेल लेते हैं. So he's saying 大卫我不会踢 I cannot play, I do not know how to play. 只喜欢看 I just like, I just can watch. 但我游泳游得很快 but my swimming is fast, I can swim fast. So this is all about this dialogue. This is how through these dialogues you can easily learn Chinese language and the Chinese language sentence structures. And for more useful information about Chinese language, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, Chinese Language Made Easy. And if you like the information, do give us your feedback, and we will meet each other in the next interesting videos about Chinese language. Till then, see you, 再见.